In a video, learn about text input controls. Today we are learn about types of text input. There are three types of text input used on a form. Single line text input control, second one is a password input control, and third one is a multiple line input control. In a single line text control, open a form tag and close form tag in between body tag. In form tag, declare single line text control. So name colon input type is equal to double quotation text, name is equal to first underscore name. They are used to take input from the user with using input tag in HTML for single line text input control. And name is equal to first underscore name to call, otherwise fetch the record of a text box in between database, otherwise servers. Then it will here used BR tag and save the program and run on your browser. So use here, so enter here some characters for a input text, for a user input text. Then another attribute is a value. Value attribute used to this can be used to provide an initial value inside the control. Here will we use value is equal to double quotation ABC value inside the control. Second attribute is a size is equal to 20 here defined. Size allows to specify the width of a input text control in term of characters. Next attribute is a max length is equal to 20, allows to specify to the maximum number of characters a user can enter into a text box. See here set value ABC in a defaultly in a text box. Another attribute is a placeholder is equal to entered your name. Placeholder used to define here guidance for a input text entered by user. And length 20 is defined to here user can input 20 characters, otherwise 20 numbers into a text box. Then second is a password input control. Similar pattern of input tag for user defined input here. So copy and paste. Then change the user ID in a tag. Then next line similar pattern used password. Then tag input type is equal to password and name is equal to password. This structure will be used for a login form with proper user ID and password for authenticate users. Save the program and run your browser. Display two text input with user ID and password. So user ID here entered and password entered. To enter your password in a dot format for a security purpose. Default used to dot format. Password will be don't show in the text box. Then last one is a multi-line input control. In this control, defining here address in a tag text area rows equal to 4 and calls equal to 50. Name is equal to description. In a tag, enter description here. So close a text area tag, save the program and run output on your browser. In the next point, another control is checkbox and radio button into a form tag. First one is a checkbox. Checkbox are used when more than one option is required to be selected. They are also created using HTML input tag, but types of attributes is a set to be a checkbox. So here created a selection of hobbies more than one. So here input control for a checkbox type is equal to checkbox. This will use to indicate the type of input control, and for checkbox input control it will be set to a checkbox. Then another attribute is name. Name is equal to playing in a double quote. So here playing used to give a name to be the control, which is sent to the server to be recognized and get the value. Another attribute is value. Value is equal to double quote playing. The playing value that will be used if the checkbox is selected. And another attribute is used to here checked is set to a checked if you want to select it by default value. Save the program and run output on your browser. Hobbies is equal to 3 checkbox spelled here: playing, singing and dancing. Default selected is a singing. For used checked attribute, 3 checkbox can selected at a time, otherwise one or more field can choose here. Another control is radio button. So assume your gender selection using radio button. Input type is equal to radio. This type indicates type of input control. Then another property is a name. Name is equal to gender is used to give a name to the control, which is set to the server and be recognized and get the value. Save the program and run your browser. So here created gender and 2 radio buttons, male and female. User can select the button for a data entry in a form. In the next point, another control is select box control and file upload control. In a select box control, a select box, also called as drop down box, which provide option to list down various options in the form of a drop down list, from where a user can select one or more options. So here in a form tag for a input control select box, so tag select, open and close. In this example, consider here selection places in a drop down list box. Into a select tag will multiple options of places created here. Open a option tag and close option tag. In between option tag, Virar, Vasai, Nalasopara, Borivali and Andheri places. Save the program and run the places in between. Present a scrolling list box on your browser. And another attribute of select box, select name is equal to places, and option is selected for a Nalasopara is a defaultly display in a select box. Another property is a size equal to 3. Save program and refresh your page. So 3 size declared here and 3 places display on scrolling list at a time. Another attribute used to the multiple. If set a multiple, then allows a user to a selected multiple items for the menu. Another control is a file upload. So here input type is equal to double quotation file, name is equal to file upload, used to give a name to the control which is sent to the server to be recognized and get the value. Another attribute is a accept. Accept is equal to double quotation image /star. For your specific image, to type image of files that the server accepts on your web page. Save the program and run output on your browser. Refresh your web page and here will be created choose file for uploading page of a image file. Select, open your directory here and select your folder for selected here one image file. Another control is last one is a button control in a form tag. Here created in a form tag for a user name, for a input text, for a text single line text box here created input type is equal to double quotation text. Second control is your password. Input type is equal to password, name is equal to password. Then the another BR tag and another here will be used input type is equal to in a double quotation submit. Name is equal to submit and value is equal to submit. This create a button that automatically submit a form. Another input type is equal to reset, name is equal to reset and value is equal to reset. This create a button that automatically reset forms control to their initial values. Another input type is equal to double quotation button, name is equal to OK and value is a reset. This create a button that is used to trigger a client side script when the user click that button. Save file and run browser. So here entered username is Abhi and enter your password. Then click on submit button. Then save the records of username and password in your URL. Will be display user ID is equal to Abhi and password is equal to 1234 and click event of a submit button in your current page URL. Then refresh your page. Then another is your entered username and password. Click on that reset button. Above to text box cleared entered user records. Another input type is equal to double quotation in image, name is equal to image button and src is equal to source. Here created source. Here will be choosed one HTML file in HTML folder. So web.png file source name here created web.png and refresh your page. So here will be that image apply for a button. This is created a clickable button, but we can use an image as a background of a button.